parents and students in Sec3 and Sec4 taking chemistry, I would like to share with you just some thoughts I have over the past few weeks. Now, these few weeks have been very challenging because many of my students tell me that they are facing their WA2s, which are very fast approaching. And one of the tips that I share with my students is that they need to study strategically. That means to say, when they study, they need to note down what are the important things that they must know for every chapter, what are the question types that you must familiarize yourself with when you are dealing with the different concepts, and also importantly, how to manage your time well. Alright, so one of the things that I would like to always tell my students is that don't blindly memorize. Okay, they need to understand the concept so that in exams, when they are faced with questions, they know how to answer them and answer them well. I would like my students also to take note of how to write their answers, phrase their answers, use the correct chemistry terms so that they are not penalized due to careless mistakes during the exam. For all my new students, I would encourage you to join us at Chemistry MindQuest for a free trial lesson so that you can experience firsthand our teaching and experience how learning is like at MindQuest Learning Hub. For parents who have children currently studying in Sec3 and Sec4 and are facing some difficulty in chemistry, I would like to also make an appeal to you. If you'd like to consider some additional help for your child, you can also register your child for the June holiday crash course that we will be conducting at MindQuest. And we are located very conveniently at Eunos as well as Jurong East, so you can bring your child to the center for a free one-to-one diagnostic consultation at any point of time if you are interested. Okay, do reach out to our admin staff who can assist you with the onboarding process, and I would like to see your child succeed in the chemistry subject. Alright, here's to working together with you so that we can have better outcomes for everyone and ensure that your child gains a head start in chemistry. Okay, see you in our classes.